channel did a donation to Owen. This is the t-shirt that I got in the mail. Hi guys, we're gonna do some unboxing. This is what my Alexa looks like. This is the turn up, turn down. This one is silent, so let's say if you want to play a song and you want no one to change it, you press this so Alexa can't hear you. My Aunt Barb got it for me. You can call your mom, you can ask what's the letter, and Alexa can play top hits. And you can choose if you want Alexa to be a boy or a girl, or neither. And you can have Sirius XM. We listen to Sirius XM a lot, and so is NPR News. This is what my Alexa looks like, and then we have the instructions and the plug to plug it in. All you need for Alexa to work is internet from your own house or connected to someone's cell phone. And then next, I found this in the mail today. It's a package that has my name on it. It came from Spud Shorts Incorporated. Are you guys excited to open this with me? Anyway, let's open it. Ooh, it's a nice, cool shirt. I got this t-shirt from Go Find Me Owen. He has cancer, and two people that helped him were Danielle Battel and Nick Nim M. For helping Owen, raising money for his cancer, and you can find them on YouTube. Make sure to subscribe to them, and make sure to subscribe to this channel too if you haven't already. So it says, "Together we are strong. Creators conquering cancer." I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Bye guys!